Troubleshooting servo motor failures in glass sealing robot. Servo motor malfunctions are critical issues in glass processing lines, directly impacting production efficiency and product quality. This guide focuses on common failures in glass sealing robots, which mostly utilize Yaskawa Japan servo motors, and provides actionable solutions based on years of technical expertise. Section 1. Diagnostic Basics. Understanding alarm codes. Lingbo sealing lines feature advanced servo systems controlled by Yaskawa drives. When a fault occurs, the drive's LCD display shows error codes, for example, a 910, a 810, which are key to rapid diagnosis. Step-by-step troubleshooting. Step 1. Locate the drive. Open the electrical control cabinet near the conveyor section. Step 2. Read the code. Note the numeric or alphanumeric code displayed on the drive's LED panel. Step 3. Cross-reference. Match the code to the manufacturer's manual for specific causes. Section 2. Common error codes and solutions. Error code A910, overload alarm. Root cause. Occurs when the motor operates beyond its rated capacity, typically due to mismatched motor power for oversized glass, mechanical blockages in the conveyor system, for example, misaligned rollers. Solutions. Upgrade motor capacity, replace with a higher torque motor. Optimize load distribution, adjust conveyor speed profiles via the drive's parameter settings. Inspect mechanical components, check for debris in pulleys or worn belts. Error code A810. Battery failure absolute encoder. Root cause. Absolute encoders rely on a backup battery to retain position data. After 5+ years of operation, the lithium battery depletes, causing position memory loss. Solutions. Replace the battery. A. Power off the system and wait 10 minutes for capacitors to discharge. B. Locate the battery compartment on the drive. C. Replace with a new battery, observing polarity. Recalibrate the encoder. Use the drive's auto-tuning function to reset position data. Section 3. Preventive Maintenance Protocol. Battery Replacement Schedule. Replace batteries every 4 years to avoid unexpected failures. Drive cooling. Ensure cooling fans in the control cabinet are operational to prevent overheating, critical for drives in hot environments. Encoder cleaning. Quarterly clean encoder shafts with compressed air to remove dust buildup. Section 4. When to contact technical support. If alarms persist after basic troubleshooting, contact Lingbo engineers for advanced drive parameter tuning, replacement of faulty components. By addressing these issues systematically, manufacturers can reduce downtime by up to 70% and extend motor lifespan by 3 to 5 years. Trust Lingbo Global Technical Team for prompt, tailored solutions.
Contact Lingbo for free machine selection solutions.